Now, let's take a closer look at the testimony given at today's parliamentary hearing, particularly the allegation that the presidential office monitored the daily comings and goings of Supreme Court Justice and that Choi Soon-sil apparently attempted to cover up evidence against her. Our Oh Jung-hee spoke to some experts for their take on how today's revelations put a new spin to the case.
The fourth parliamentary hearing brought to the surface some important clues in the ongoing Choi Soon-sil probe and the motion to impeach President Park Geun-hye. The former head of local daily the Segye Ilbo, Cho Han-kyu, told lawmakers that the presidential office had been keeping tabs on the daily life of the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, Seung-tae. One expert says, if true, that would violate democratic and constitutional values, create distrust not only against the presidential office but the judiciary, and on its own would be reason enough to impeach the president.
The Korean constitution stipulates a clear separation of legislative, executive and judicial powers. It's an infringement of constitutional government that the presidential office was watching every move of high-level judges.
As for Choi Soon-sil, another expert says she can no longer deny the allegation she funneled corporate donations to her two troubled foundations, Mir and K-Sports. Recordings of phone conversations with her were revealed at the two most recent hearings, and Thursday's had Choi apparently telling a K-Sports Foundation official to destroy or manipulate evidence.
Because there was no physical evidence, Choi has been denying all the allegations against her so far. But the voice recording is definitely going to help prove the current charges and more. It's also reasonable to think that President Park was on Choi's side, seeing that Choi treated the former presidential secretary like her own servant.
Regarding the claim Choi's daughter, Jung-ra, benefited from special treatment to get into Ewha Women's University, that couldn't be determined because the relevant witnesses from the school chose to keep quiet. But the experts don't see those officials escaping legal punishment. They say that in addition to how sensitive the Korean public already is when it comes to college admissions, that something like that could happen destroys the foundation of a fair society where people achieve good results through their own efforts. Oh Jung-hee, Arirang News.